According to a survey by online platform Local Circles, 5% of users have already deleted WhatsApp following the privacy policy controversy. Around 92% people in the survey said they will not use WhatsApp payment features if the app shares information with Facebook and third parties. The sample survey was 17,000. WhatsApp is adding a new layer of security to its web and desktop applications. WhatsApp users will now have to verify before linking their accounts to the web or desktop. The new WhatsApp feature will start rolling out to users around the world in the coming weeks. RBI has told the Supreme Court that it has no responsibility to conduct audit of members of United Payments Interface ecosystem and responsibility to ensure that private firms like Google and WhatsApp comply with norms with National Payments Corporation of India. A new feature by YouTube will now allow a group of creators to make clips of their videos and share it with viewers, similar to the one available on Twitch, and it has been one of the highly requested features on YouTube. As per reports, Facebook is readying a lawsuit aimed at loosening Apple's grip on the App Store that serves as an exclusive gateway into iPhone models. The leading social network is preparing an antitrust civil suit accusing Apple of abusing its control of the App Store by requiring outside developers to abide by rules not applied to its own software. Facebook's oversight board has overturned 4 out of 5 decisions by the social network to take down questionable content. Facebook regularly takes down thousands of posts and accounts, and about 150,000 of those cases have appealed to the oversight board since it launched in October. During the company's Q1 2021 earnings call, Apple's Tim Cook has said that the company has doubled its business in India last quarter compared to a year ago. As per reports, the launch of its online store, the iPhone 12, 11 and XR were the top drivers of the company's growth. As per a new job listing on LinkedIn, Niantic's Pokemon Go could be looking to set up shop in India. Game maker Niantic is scouting for local talent who can generate momentum, attend industry events in the largest cities in the country, and plan meetups for Pokemon Go community members. Bharti Airtel has announced that it had become the country's first telecom operator to demonstrate and orchestrate 5G services over a commercial network in Hyderabad. Airtel said that its 5G network is capable of delivering 10x speeds, 10x latency and 100x concurrency when compared to existing technologies.